In late November 2025, parts of North Sumatra, West Sumatra, and Aceh faced one of their most destructive weather events of the year. From November 25 to November 27, days of relentless seasonal rainfall, intensified by the nearby Tropical Cyclone Senyar, triggered widespread flooding, massive landslides, and devastating infrastructure damage across the region. Entire communities were suddenly submerged. Rivers rose far beyond their banks. Hillsides collapsed, blocking major roads and burying homes. Thousands were forced to evacuate, while rescue teams worked non-stop to reach isolated villages cut off by the disaster.
Mohon bantuannya untuk alat transportasi evakuasi untuk di desa Huta Godang, Garoga, sekitarnya, Ngadol sekitarnya.
Most cyclones in Indonesia form in the southern summer. November storms in the northern hemisphere are almost unheard of. But on the night of November 25th, something strange happened in the narrow Malacca Strait. A cluster of thunderstorms began spinning. Satellite images showed a clear eye forming. By dawn on the 26th, the system strengthened further and was classified as Tropical Cyclone Senyar. It pulled humid air over western Indonesia and slowed the movement of storm clouds, causing prolonged, stationary heavy rainfall over North Sumatra, West Sumatra, and Aceh. This meant that regions which normally receive heavy rain saw 3 days of uninterrupted downpours, overwhelming drainage systems, and triggering floods and landslides in multiple provinces. In Aceh, districts near the eastern and northern coast experienced significant rainfall linked to Cyclone Senyar's moisture bands. Communities near Langsa, Aceh Timur, and several inland areas reported flooding severe enough to force evacuations, while landslides damaged hillside routes and isolated remote areas.
BNPB semuanya. Ini tambah deras di sini arusnya.
just south, in North Sumatra, the story was landslides. Rivers rose suddenly, washing away roads and inundating homes. Landslides struck hillside communities, damaging houses and cutting off access to several villages. In the coastal city of Sibolga, a wall of mud and boulders swept away a row of houses. Further south in West Sumatra, heavy rain triggered dangerous flash floods across several regencies, including Agam, coastal and highland communities stretching toward Padang. Bridges were damaged or swept away, and roads were blocked by landslide debris. Creeks and rivers that usually appear calm transformed into torrents, carrying mud, trees, and debris through residential areas. Across all three regions, schools, markets, and places of worship were affected. Many residents described this event as one of the most disruptive flooding episodes they had experienced in years. The disaster left a heavy human toll. Local authorities and news agencies reported multiple fatalities. Numbers continued to evolve as rescue teams reached isolated areas. Many people were also reported missing after sudden flash floods swept through their communities or after landslides buried homes along unstable hillsides.
Ya Allah, ya Rabbi, ya Sayyidi, ya Maulana, hanali. Tinggal hubung tu, ya Allah. Ya Allah, lautan, ya Allah, hanali.
Yan pasien rumah sakit PIM KPI Jalu. Pasien rumah sakit PIM KPI Jalu. Jadi informasi terkini rumah sakit PIM yang ono i. Yang kamu timbang ke rumah sakit PIM. Ya prima inti medika. Yang i. Yang bagi uring panjang, yang nak panjang yang satu kurung peluh yang bagi uring et. Yang kira-kira yang sakit dari rumah sakit PIM. Bandar Aceh paling kurung.
Tens of thousands of residents were displaced, taking shelter in schools, government buildings, and temporary evacuation centers. For many families, floodwaters rose too quickly to save belongings. People escaped with only essential items, ID cards, clothes, phones, and food.
Mazda. Tidak dah apa mah. Dia back. Dia panjang orang asuransi yang. Oh, jatuh ah. Allah ilah.
The floods and landslides caused widespread structural damage. Houses were destroyed or filled with mud. Bridges collapsed or became unsafe for use. Roads were cut off by landslide debris. Farms and plantations were inundated, affecting local food supplies and future harvests. Small businesses, including markets near riverbanks, suffered severe losses. For many, these floods serve as a reminder of the growing impacts of extreme weather events across Indonesia, especially during the wet season when monsoon rains and tropical systems interact. Despite the destruction, search and rescue teams, volunteers, and local residents showed extraordinary resilience, working together to protect lives and support those affected. This disaster will remain a significant moment in Indonesia's 2025 climate timeline, a reminder of the importance of preparedness, early warnings, and strong community response systems in the face of extreme weather.
Video.
Your support helps us keep bringing accurate updates from disaster zones. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay informed.